Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Rabobank customer service. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top, there's this address bar. Type down rabobank.com and enter it. And once you're inside this homepage, in the top, there's the support icon. Select that. And from the support, you need to go to the support again. And over here, what you can do is scroll a bit down, and over here you can find the frequently asked question. So if you find any relatable issue, you can simply open a question here and you may find instruction. Or if you want to contact to Rabobank, what you can do is go back again, and from the support here you need to select this contact. And over here you can find the contact here. For the customer service here, you can find this phone number. For the business banking, you can simply find other phone number here. You can simply call the given number. And before contacting customer service, make sure you have your account information ready for identity verification. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.